If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy S26 has a memory card slot, then the answer is unfortunately no. Over here, as you can see, I have the SIM tray that I removed from Samsung Galaxy S26, and while in my case I have dual SIM available, there is no way to use the microSD card. Sometimes, of course, some smartphones offer like a hybrid slot in the SIM tray that allows you to decide if you want to use microSD card or a SIM card. But in this case, the microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray. There is simply no way to insert it because it's just simply too big and there is not enough space for that. And the only way to use the microSD card is with a memory card reader. So if you desperately want to access your storage that you have on your microSD card, then you will need to use something like this, more or less. Of course, my memory card reader is quite huge because it has 3 slots. There are memory card readers with a microSD card slot only, so they are smaller, but essentially you're looking for the memory card reader with USB-C cable, so you can connect it to the phone quite easily. Then of course you use the microSD card, you put it into the reader over here, connect it to the phone, and then you can access the storage and you can transfer files quite easily. However, of course, this accessory is really inconvenient to use on a daily basis, and you probably want to use it only when you want to transfer some files or access those files, of course. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.